Ever feel overwhelmed by your inbox, but still want to keep up with your favorite Substack writers? Taking email in Substack is about building a curated reading experience, and it all starts with subscribing. If you've landed on a publications page and you're intrigued by their content, look for a prominent subscribe button or a field to enter your email address. Simply type in your email, click that button, and you're in. You'll start receiving their latest posts directly to your inbox. Now, let's talk about managing what lands in your inbox. When you receive an email from a Substack newsletter, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find a link that usually says something like Manage your subscription or Update your settings. Click on this. This link takes you to your personal subscription management page. Here, you have a few key controls. You can adjust how often you receive emails. Some newsletters offer options like each new post, daily digest, or even weekly summary. Choose the frequency that best suits your reading habits to avoid inbox overload. Found yourself subscribed to something you no longer read? No problem. On this same page, you'll also see a clear unsubscribe button. Clicking this will gracefully remove you from that specific newsletter's mailing list, keeping your inbox focused on what truly matters to you. You can also view all your active subscriptions in one place. Log into your Substack account on the website and navigate to your dashboard or profile. Here, you'll typically find a section listing all the newsletters you're currently subscribed to. This is a great way to get a bird's-eye view and make any adjustments needed. By mastering these simple steps, you'll ensure you're always informed and engaged with the Substack newsletters that add genuine value to your day. Happy reading!